There's a Baba black sheep. Look, Olivia. Who's that, Livy?
That's it. Yeah, look. Watch. Look what I did. You have to talk to him. You have to talk to him. Want to hold?
Did it come, Olivia?
So I guess they put them in there and then feed them in and then feed them out again. Hey, it's just like the parkway.
One for the master and one for the dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane.
Watch your head.
One for the master and one for the dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane.
That again? Happy Fun Day? Farm Day. Happy Farm Day to you. Did you have fun at the sheep farm?